greatest thing I've ever seen. Like, bro, what are you doing, man? Yeah, give it more gas. Give us some more gas. Come on. God. Okay. Get it. That's fucking stupid. Bro, what are you doing? By the way, he did not want help. So, I mean, you're... It is so stupid. Bro, what are you doing? God damn it. Like, oh my God. There you go. There you go. What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Ranch Gang? It's 18 degrees in Amarillo, Texas, which is strange. And there's snow on the ground, which is very odd. We don't get a lot of snow here. It's been snowing since yesterday. It's going to snow today, which is Tuesday. And then it's supposed to snow tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So I've got a pretty light day as far as clients go. The gym is pretty dead, except for like your hardcore people. The roads are absolute dog shit. So I figured today, since I have some extra time, the plan for today is we're going to go over basically what the options are for rebuilding the Demon. Now, I have not heard back from my insurance, so I'm just speculating here. But that way it gives you guys an idea of basically what's going to be happening over the next weeks and months. And basically I have my cool, awesome little whiteboard right here, which we're going to write a bunch of stuff down on. And I'm going to kind of go through this with you guys because I did a poll on YouTube last night about what I should do with the Dodge Demon. I put up a poll 19 hours ago and 10,000 votes. So basically option one was buy back the Demon, do rebuild series. Buy back the Demon, have another YouTuber do a rebuild series, which got 9%. The buy back a Demon, do a rebuild series got 57% of the votes. Buy back Demon, then buy a Red Eye and do a build series on both. That got 19%. Leave the Demon, don't buy it back was 12%, and then other options were comment below, that was 3%. So a huge majority of you guys want to see, obviously, me do a rebuild series on the Dodge Demon. So that's what we're going to be doing, and that's what we're going over in today's video. So DJ, please hit that intro.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged. Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
Okay, so as of now, the insurance has not looked at the car yet. They're supposed to be over there today, but with the snow, I'm not sure if they're going to make it over to Terry's shop. So Terry did not end up doing an actual quote on the car because the problem is if the Demon is not totaled, I'm not going to have Terry do the work. And it's not because I don't want Terry to do the work. It's just I found a different place to do the work for me, which I'll be talking to you guys about in a different video. So basically what we're going to be going off of is if the insurance decides to not total the car and they're going to fix it, which is a good possibility, I'm going to say 50-50 right now. I already have a shop in mind that I'm going to use. They are not Amarillo, Texas. Now, the other 50% is, let's say the insurance comes at me and says, look, it's too much to fix. That's what we're going to do. We're going to write you a check for what the car is worth, which I need to make sure I stick to my guns and get what the car is worth. So as of last night, a Dodge Demon, obviously only like 100 miles, sold for 160 grand. Now mine has 8,000 miles, but it's not a huge deal difference. So am I going to get 160K for my car? No, mine's probably worth between like 110 and 125 probably. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go off a pros and cons list of buying the car back from the insurance if the insurance gives me what my car is worth. So we're going to go over that today. Cons of buying the car back from the insurance. Number one, I don't know how much it's going to cost to fix. The good thing is there are a couple options that I can do, but we're going off the cons list first. So one, I don't know how much it's going to cost to fix. Two, I can't do the work myself. If you guys don't know, I own my own gym. I have zero time as it is, so I'd have to have someone else do the work for me, which is not a big deal. I just have to make sure that they also film for me, because obviously YouTube, doing part of this build series is for me, but I'm also doing it for you as well. So I need to make sure that I give them a camera and I stay in touch with them, and we do at least one Demon video a week, if not two. So I would say those are the biggest cons, is not being able to do it myself, not knowing how much it's going to cost, and then is the car going to be like it was before the accident. I would say those are the three biggest cons to buying the Demon back from the insurance. There's a lot of unknowns as far as that goes. Pros, I get to keep the car. Another pro is I have several options that I can do. I can either try and fix the chassis, or the frame, excuse me. I can either try and fix the frame, I can do a resto mod, I could find a Scat Pack wide body yellow and swap everything over. That's not really high up on my list. I have several options that I can do. Obviously, the resto mod would probably be the most expensive. The buying like a brand new Scat Pack and then swapping everything over would probably be the next least expensive. And then the least expensive of them all, in my opinion, is probably be fixing the car. Because the few places that I have talked to, it's going to be expensive, but it's also going to be time consuming. So I won't have the car probably for 6 months at least, because of how bad the frame damage is and how many pieces need to be replaced. But those are kind of my big three options. Another pro is, this is not how I want it to be YouTube, like my YouTube to grow at all. But I need to use it to my advantage, right? So you guys keep asking why I keep making Demon videos. Well, anybody who's a YouTuber is going to take advantage of the situation. Whether it's a good situation or, in my case, a shitty situation, you got to take advantage of it. So I need to make sure that with whatever option that I do, if I buy the car back, I need to make sure that it's going to make sense for the YouTube channel, right? The biggest thing is I just want whatever option I do, number one, I want to be able to document it. Number two is I don't want it to cost like some outrageous amount where I'm like, dude, I'm in way, way, way too deep over my head. Demon's going to be gone with whichever way I decide to do it. It's going to be gone for several months. And that's why, like, linking up with another YouTuber would be kind of cool, because they would get content for their channel, I'd get content for my channel, and I would be able to, like, see how the progress is going each time. The only downside of that is I don't know how professional it would be when it's completely done. You guys see cars online in pictures and in videos, but when you see some cars that have been fixed in person, they don't necessarily look like what they seem to be. So I am going to reach out to some YouTubers and see if linking up with them is an option later this week. So again, I'm just trying to keep my options as open as I can until I hear from the insurance. Now, if the insurance is like, look, we're going to fix your car, okay, I already know what I'm doing, and I will reveal that later in a different video. But if they're like, look, we're going to total your car, we need to figure out how much we're going to give you, then I really got to figure out, okay, what exactly am I going to do with the Dodge Demon? So obviously keeping it by any means necessary is the number one goal. So that right now is my main concern, is making sure that I keep it, whether it's totaled or whether it gets fixed, is keeping that car and making sure that I can utilize that vehicle and, you know, take advantage of the shitty situation of a Dodge Demon getting fucking hit in my front yard. You might be asking yourself, well, what are you going to do for content on the other days? Well, the good thing is my 1,000-wheel horsepower Charger is finally going to be done, thanks to Scott and Thomas up in Tulsa, in about a week. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to have some racing videos finally, and I'm going to be able to drive that again finally. I've got some Trackhawk content ready to go. I just have been focusing on the Demon stuff lately. So I've got plenty of content to push out, and I don't just have like car stuff. I have other things as well. I'm a business owner, so there's things that you guys ask me all the time on Instagram. And obviously, we got to keep fucking with my wife. So, because you guys really enjoy those videos. So that's obviously giving me more videos for you guys of seeing all that type of stuff. So I've got plenty of content. The thing is, like, I have to start taking YouTube more serious. I don't want to take this opportunity with my channel growth to what it is and waste it like some YouTubers do. I really just don't want to waste the growth of my channel and the opportunity that I have to, like, my channel's grown insane. Like, we're at 112,000 subscribers, which is like mind-blowing. Again, not the way that I wanted my channel to grow, but sometimes we can't choose the way that things happen. So I'm just trying to roll with it and make the best use of the situation that I can. That is the update for the first Rebuilding the Dodge Demon video series. This is going to be episode 1. I think that's what I'm going to call it. And then this is just basically the backstory. And again, if I hear from the insurance tomorrow or Friday or whatever, then I'll let you guys know and I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any suggestions, like for what you would do if it was your car, comment below. I just, you know, after it being almost 2 weeks, you know, I can't let the car go. The car means way too much to me. And if it's possible to get it fixed by someone, regardless if it takes 6 months to a year, then I should fucking do it. You know what I mean? I shouldn't just be like, fuck it. I shouldn't just give up. I should try and get it fixed. And that's kind of what I'm going to try and do. So, again, I want to say thank you guys to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the OGs who've been supporting me since day one. And anybody who's just started watching the channel, I really appreciate it. You guys are fucking awesome. Hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. And I've got a lot of stuff coming to the channel. But this is going to be the first episode of Rebuilding the Dodge Demon. And I'm very excited to start a whole new YouTube series that no one on YouTube has done yet. So, anyways, my name is Kevin Van Vorst. Make sure you guys follow me at CaliBoyKev on Instagram and on Snapchat. I'm out this bitch.